Hi, what's up, guys? This is Alexander Bosko, and today I am going to show you guys how to reset your Snapchat password if you guys forgot it. So let's head on to it. Go to your Snapchat app, and if you forgot your password, before you can press on forgot your password, you have to enter your username or email first before you can do that. And now after you entered your email or username, then click on forgot your password, and there's two options: by phone or by email. If you do it by phone, they might send you a text message or they will call you. That depends on your preference if you choose that option. And the second option is it is to send you the email, and you have to enter your email address there. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now if you chose this option, enter the email address you use with your account. After that, then click on Submit. Then wait for the email, and there you go, right there. Then click on the email you just got from Team Snapchat. Then click on the link they provided you. Then it takes you to this page right here to change your password. I am going to cover it up, by the way, so let's go ahead and do this. And after you entered your new password, and then click on save after you did that, and now click on continue, and now you can log in again. Let's go and test that right now for you guys. To make sure it works, before I end this video, and it works, guys. So guys, I hope this video did help you guys out. And if it did, please leave this video a like, a comment, and subscribe if you are new here. And please subscribe for more tutorials like this, and more gaming and more plush adventure time videos, and more unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video and subscribe if you guys are new here. And please turn on the upload post notifications that every time I upload a video, so you guys don't miss it. So now this will be Alexander Bosko signing off, guys, and peace out. Bye, guys.